Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do something about textures. So, textures, actually, I am going to show you how to make your own texture brushes. Basically, textures are all over the world. You can see textures everywhere on trees and plants, on stones, water, not water, actually everywhere. Yeah. So, basically, how to make your own texture brushes. First, open your Photoshop. Let me show you. I have previously made one texture brush. It's chameleon texture brush. So first let's check my color. Yeah, increase my. Oh, it's not coming. Why? Yeah, wait. Yeah, see. This is the way. It's not name. It's not coming. Uh, Come on. Yeah, you can see here it's chameleon texture brush. So let me increase its size and show you its texture. uh, it's not coming. Wait. Oh, it's eraser, that's why. Let me change to brush. Now it's brush. um, Let me change its angle so it can be seen properly. Little bit of size, and voila, you can see its texture. Now let's try some different textures. um, Go on Google. From here only I have searched some of the nail texture and make that brush. My tongue. Let me think. Let's try elephant. Yeah, elephant texture. That's pretty cool. This nice and organic texture. Think go to this one. These textures are cool. Nice. Yeah, I think I will go with this. Take this one and save this image to your folder. Now you open your Photoshop, and now oh, no, let me decrease my. Yeah, now it's okay. That's fine. Take that image and drop it to your Photoshop. Now erase this image. Oh, let me first place it. Do not. No, yeah. Place it and now erase it. So rasterize it. Again. Take some chalk brush and give it an angle. Yeah, very nice. Increase its size a little bit, and erase it in that manner that it the shape of the picture becomes organic, because your texture is basically an organic texture and you're making an organic brush, so your brush should look like also an organic. So change the shape of the brush. So first, if you want to change the shape of the brush, so shape of the texture or image should also be changed. So erase it from all corners and make sure that it looks a nice organic shape. And yeah, it's looking cool. Something from here, little bit from here, something over here, and yeah, okay, fine. When you're happy with your shape, now go to edit. Now define brush preset. You will get name, then change your brush name, and I think it should be like elephant wala or elephant texture. Yeah, elephant Q-R-E, elephant texture. Yeah, okay, one. I have elephant texture one. Fine. Voila. As you can see, we have got the brush. Now let us try that. Now we make a new layer, hide there, and it's a eraser again. Take as you can see at the last you have the elephant brush, elephant texture one brush as came. So select that. Selector, increase the size. Let's see, no, little bit more. Oh, it's chameleon again. Take that's too big. Oh, that's small. That's more, little more big. Not that much more big. Let's take this only. And now here we got a nice texture of elephant. So afterwards you can go to the settings and make it dark or light, but if you want it dark, double tap on it as you will get the darker shade. Let me show you again. So this is the dark tone of your skin or your texture. So thank you guys for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Watch my another videos. Watch my another videos. I have given the link in the description below, and in the next video I will show you how to use these texture brushes more efficiently. Till then, see you guys.